to Indira's World. I'm back like a bad penny. Today, cheesy Popeye, because I'm strong to the finish because I eat my spinach, which is all creamed along with some cheese, mozzarella and poached eggs. You can make this as healthy as you want and as naughty as you want. That's entirely up to you. So, let's have a look at what I'm using in here today. Okay, now here I have 2 toast. Now you can either fry these and make them really fatty. I've just toasted it and cut them into little squares. I use a sort of lid-like thing and just get the right shape. Some eggs for poaching, and now some mozzarella. I've used some disc-shaped mozzarella here. You can use whatever cheese you like. Mozzarella is rather nice with spinach. I've taken some spinach, a big bag of spinach, and actually more than a big bag of spinach. It works out to about 1.5 cups of spinach when it's wilted. And that's wilted and kept in here. A tablespoon and a half of olive oil, half a chopped onion, a teaspoon of garlic, a tablespoon and a half of flour, and 250 ml of semi-skim milk. And let's go to it. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to poach some eggs here. I found these very interesting things online. I'll try and dig out where I got them from and let you know at the end of the show. Now I'm going to poach my eggs on this. So here we have it, my eggs. Now, as clumsy as I'm making it look, it's not that clumsy. That's uno, and another one there. And now I'm popping those into poach in there. And that's boiling away. So I'm going to lid that and move it over while I start with the spinach. Now I'm heating my pan up, and to that I am going to add my 1.5 tablespoons of olive oil. You can use butter if you want. As I said, you can make it as naughty as you want it to be. So that's my olive oil. Half a chopped onion. Now I've used less than a teaspoon of garlic because I don't think it needs very strong flavors in this, but I do like to use a little garlic. It's healthy. Now I'm going to cook those around till the onions are clear, and to this I'm going to add 1.5 tablespoons of flour, and we're cooking that flour down so it gets rid of the raw taste to that. And 250 ml of semi-skim milk goes right in there as well. Oh, that was good. I didn't even have to look. So I'm going to bring that to the boil so it gets rid of that raw taste. Now to this I'm going to add very little salt because spinach is salty in its own right. This spinach is very high in iron, so it's pretty healthy for you. And I don't know how to get kids to eat spinach any other way anyway. So I've got some salt and pepper to taste. I like pepper. Yeah. Now, as I said, I've got 1.5 cups of wilted spinach, and that is going in there now. So you've got a very creamy thing. Now again, if you want to use cream instead of semi-skim milk, it gets richer. Tastes a lot better, but there you go. I prefer lighter food. I'm not very big on very creamy and thick stuff. And you can use butter instead of the olive oil. And you can use a heavier cheese instead of the mozzarella. It's up to you. Now I'm cooking that through, and then I'm using a very fancy instrument called a blender. Okay, so I'm going to blend this up. I've used a hand blender, but you can use whatever you want, like a food processor of any other sort. Now, I've got that cream spinach. I'm just put that on a very low simmer and thickening it up as much as I can. Let's see. That is lovely. So fresh and so tasty. Kind of that sort of consistency. Gooey, glubby, Popeye, spinachy thing going on here. Right, now let's go on. As you can see, my poached eggs are looking very poachy as well. They're all ready. So let's assemble everything together. Okay, so here I have it. I'm going to put my mozzarella, and I'm going to be really naughty and put 2 slices of mozzarella, because it is a cheesy Popeye. And on this, my cream spinach. Yummy. And on that, poached egg. Now, and a bit of salt on there, and pepper, and there you have it. Now this has bread if you want it. You can fry the bread, as I said, make it a little heavier, which is your carbohydrates is at the bottom. I've got 2 lots of cheese, your protein, some more eggs, 2 eggs on the top, protein again, your spinach, which is your iron, and there you have it. Cheesy Popeye. Choo-choo! Well, thank you for watching me, and don't forget, if you aren't following me, please do on Instagram, on IndiraasWorld, and also don't forget to like, and I'll see you soon. And as they say, spinach will make you strong to the finish. See you next time.